Hormonal acne is a common skin condition that can impact people of all ages, not just teenagers. While it is often associated with adolescence, hormonal fluctuations throughout life can trigger breakouts at any stage. Factors such as stress, menstrual cycles, pregnancy, and even menopause can influence hormone levels and contribute to acne development. This means adults, as well as younger individuals, may experience persistent or unexpected blemishes. Understanding that hormonal acne is not limited to a specific age group helps to reduce stigma and encourages a more informed approach to treatment. Hormonal acne is a specific type of acne that is primarily triggered by fluctuations in hormone levels within the body. Unlike other forms of acne, which may be caused by factors such as bacteria, excess oil, or clogged pores, hormonal acne often emerges during periods of hormonal change, such as puberty, menstruation, pregnancy, or stress. It typically appears along the jawline, chin, and lower face, and can manifest as deep, painful cysts or nodules. This distinguishes it from common acne, which may present as blackheads or whiteheads scattered across various areas of the skin. Understanding the hormonal roots of this condition is crucial for effective treatment, as it often requires approaches that address underlying hormonal imbalances rather than just surface symptoms. Hormonal changes play a significant role in the development of acne. During puberty, the body experiences a surge in androgen hormones, which can stimulate the sebaceous glands to produce more oil, often leading to clogged pores and breakouts. Menstruation also affects hormone levels, with fluctuations in estrogen and progesterone sometimes causing premenstrual acne. Pregnancy brings about complex hormonal shifts that can either improve or worsen acne depending on the individual. Finally, menopause is another period of hormonal transition where declining estrogen levels may trigger new or persistent acne in some women. Understanding these hormonal influences is crucial for managing and treating acne effectively. Hormonal acne often presents with distinct symptoms and patterns. It typically appears along the jawline, chin, and lower cheeks, which are areas sensitive to hormonal fluctuations. The lesions can range from deep, painful cysts to inflamed nodules and papules. Unlike typical acne, hormonal acne is less likely to feature blackheads and whiteheads. Outbreaks may coincide with menstrual cycles or periods of hormonal change, such as puberty or pregnancy. These breakouts can be persistent and may leave behind dark spots or scarring. Recognizing these signs can help differentiate hormonal acne from other types of skin conditions. Several factors can contribute to an increased risk of developing hormonal acne. Genetics play a significant role, as individuals with a family history of acne are more likely to experience similar skin issues. Stress is another important factor, as it can trigger hormonal fluctuations that lead to breakouts. Lifestyle habits, such as poor diet, lack of sleep, and inadequate skincare routines, may also exacerbate acne. Additionally, certain medications and exposure to environmental pollutants can influence hormone levels and skin health. Understanding these risk factors can help individuals make informed choices to reduce the likelihood of hormonal acne. Hormonal acne is not limited to teenagers. It can significantly affect adults well into their 20s, 30s, and beyond. Fluctuations in hormones, such as those related to menstrual cycles, pregnancy, or stress, often trigger breakouts that can be persistent and challenging to manage. For many adults, these outbreaks can lead to physical discomfort and emotional distress, impacting self-esteem and daily confidence. Unlike adolescent acne, hormonal acne in adults frequently appears along the jawline, chin, and lower face. It may also be more resistant to conventional treatments, requiring a tailored approach. Understanding the underlying hormonal factors is crucial for effective management and long-term skin health. Diet and nutrition play a significant role in managing hormonal acne. Certain foods, such as those high in refined sugars and dairy products, have been linked to increased acne breakouts due to their potential to disrupt hormonal balance. Consuming a diet rich in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins may help support clearer skin by reducing inflammation and stabilizing hormone levels. Additionally, Some individuals find that limiting foods with a high glycemic index can decrease the frequency and severity of acne flare-ups. It's important to note that dietary triggers can vary from person to person, so keeping a food diary may help identify specific sensitivities. Consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian can provide personalized guidance for managing hormonal acne through nutrition. Managing hormonal acne often requires a consistent and targeted skincare routine. Gentle cleansers can help remove excess oil without irritating the skin, while products containing ingredients like salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide may reduce breakouts by unclogging pores and fighting bacteria. Incorporating a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer helps maintain hydration without contributing to further congestion. For some, topical retinoids can support cell turnover and prevent new blemishes from forming. It's important to avoid harsh scrubbing, as this can worsen inflammation. Sunscreen should be used daily to protect the skin, especially when using active treatments. Consulting with a dermatologist can provide personalized recommendations and ensure that products are suitable for your skin type. Hormonal acne can be managed through a variety of medical treatments, tailored to the severity and underlying causes of the condition. Topical medications, such as retinoids and benzoyl peroxide, are commonly prescribed to reduce inflammation and prevent clogged pores. For more persistent cases, oral medications may be recommended. These include antibiotics to target bacteria, oral contraceptives to regulate hormone levels, and anti-androgen drugs like spironolactone, which help control excess oil production. Dermatologists may also suggest isotretinoin for severe resistant acne. Each treatment option comes with its own benefits and potential side effects, so it is important to consult a healthcare professional to determine the most appropriate approach for individual needs. When dealing with persistent or severe hormonal acne, consulting a dermatologist is essential. Dermatologists are trained to identify the underlying causes of acne and can recommend tailored treatments that go beyond over-the-counter solutions. They may suggest prescription medications, topical therapies, or even hormonal interventions that target the root of the problem. Early professional guidance can help prevent scarring and reduce the emotional impact of chronic acne. Additionally, a dermatologist can monitor your progress and adjust your treatment plan as needed, ensuring the best possible outcome. Seeking expert advice is a proactive step toward clearer, healthier skin. Adopting healthy lifestyle habits can play a significant role in supporting hormonal balance and enhancing skin health. Regular physical activity helps regulate hormone levels and promotes better circulation, which can benefit your complexion. A balanced diet rich in whole foods, including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats, provides essential nutrients that support both hormonal function and skin repair. Managing stress through practices like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing can also help, as chronic stress may disrupt hormone production and contribute to skin issues. Prioritizing adequate sleep allows the body to restore and maintain hormonal equilibrium, while staying hydrated helps keep skin supple and clear. Avoiding excessive consumption of sugar, caffeine, and processed foods can further support overall well-being and skin vitality. Hormonal acne is often misunderstood, leading to several myths about its causes and treatment. One common misconception is that poor hygiene is responsible for hormonal breakouts, when in reality, fluctuations in hormones play a much larger role. Another myth suggests that only teenagers experience hormonal acne, but adults, especially women, can be affected throughout their lives. Some believe that over-the-counter products alone can cure hormonal acne, yet these treatments may not address the underlying hormonal imbalance. Additionally, there is a false notion that dietary changes alone can eliminate hormonal acne, although diet may only play a minor role for some individuals. Understanding these myths is essential for seeking appropriate and effective treatment options. Dealing with hormonal acne can be emotionally challenging, often leading to feelings of frustration, embarrassment, or even lowered self-esteem. The visible nature of acne may impact social interactions and confidence, making everyday activities feel more stressful. It's important to recognize that these emotional responses are normal and valid. Seeking support from friends, family, or mental health professionals can provide comfort and perspective. Practicing self-care, such as mindfulness or relaxation techniques, may help manage stress and negative thoughts. Remember, you are not alone in facing these challenges, and with time and support, emotional resilience can grow alongside physical healing. Hormonal acne can affect people at any stage of life, and it often brings both physical and emotional challenges. Understanding the underlying causes and exploring tailored treatment options are important steps toward managing symptoms. Consistency in skincare routines, attention to diet, and seeking professional advice can make a significant difference. Remember, progress may take time, but small changes can lead to noticeable improvements. You are not alone in this journey, and support is available. With patience and the right approach, clearer skin and greater confidence are within reach.